Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my sister, Talia, and I'm gonna do her makeup today. So if you haven't already, go ahead and thumbs this video up, even though I didn't do anything yet. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on my lovely videos. So without further ado, let's get started. So, we're gonna start off Fenty Beauty Primer. Alright, so next we're going to take eyebrows. We're going to go in with our DipBrow Pomade in Ebony. Okay, so now we're going to clean up the eyebrows with our Sephora Bright Future Concealer in Pot de Creme. Okay, now we're going to take our Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in Original. Okay, so now we're going to go into our Moroccan Spice palette, and in the crease we're going to take this gray. What's it called? Oh, Shisha. Okay, now we're going to go to our Morphe 35B palette and deepen the crease some more with this black. Okay, so now we're gonna kind of cut the crease a little bit, sort of, with this LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toffee. Okay, now we're going into our Fenty Galaxy palette, and then we're going to go everywhere that I just cut the crease with this glitter here. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this glitter liquid eyeliner. It's by Kiss. It's the Beauty Supply Store brand, and we're gonna just line up here. Okay, so we're working out of a tester, but we're gonna take Fenty Beauty in 420 and do foundation. Okay, now we're taking Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer in D37, and we're going to do like the highlights and stuff. Alright, so now I'm going to take my Laura Mercier setting powder in medium deep and bake. Up. Up, and away! That's what that, shit, what's that part used to say, the little brain shit. No, you press start. Really? Yeah. I don't remember that.
It did, it said like,
I know, up, and away.
You don't remember that?
Give me a couple days.
And whistle stop?
I don't remember it. Look up.
It's just like, dang, can this place get any more corny?
We're gonna do some contour with our Fenty Matchstick in Espresso. Am I in the camera? I don't know. Setting the contour with Black Radiance, pressed powder, and Ebony. Okay, taking the e.l.f. Cream eyeliner in black, do the wing.
Sick of your uppity
I hate eye makeup.
Jim.
It's for eyelashes.
I think I am not going to give these.
It's just like, that's why my eyes be getting all red.
We need those leads, man.
It's just like,
That's our job.
Okay, for highlights, we're going in Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kits and the Sundipped one. And we're going to take, I guess we'll take Summer. I guess we'll see. That's the closest color to your eyeshadow, so. taking Bittersweet by MAC. And taking Stone by MAC. Okay.
Purple much?
Close.
Yeah, she does. She loves purple.
Okay, so this is the finished look. It's a little bit red because I use my products and I'm clearly darker than her. But okay, so make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, guys, if you liked it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can see some more videos, some more Talia. And yeah, you can follow me on all my social media, Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter. All that's going to be on the next screen and down below in the description. Yeah, if you guys have any suggestions or anything, leave that in the comments as well. And yeah, we're going to see you guys in my next video.